What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Today we came to Summit Racing. We're here to buy a few parts because just this week I want to go drop off the truck to get the engine rebuilt because I was tired of it having a lot of problems and shit. So I'm just getting it rebuilt, and so we came to buy some parts. I came here earlier this week and I bought a carb and intake manifold, but today we're gonna buy a cam because we're upgrading the cam. We're gonna do headers, we're gonna do all that stuff, and yeah, we're gonna go see what they have and what we can buy. Okay, so last time we came here we got one of these. I think it's Summit brand intake manifold. And then we got, no está aquí, güey, but we got a Holley 600 CFM carburetor.
Está perro, ¿dónde te sientes? Mira, güey, este está perro, güey.
¿Te sientes, güey?
No mames, es sencillo, güey.
Mira, ¿cómo se siente ese ir rápido, güey?
Hey, está en inglés, bro. ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Se te olvida?
Pero sí, pues el que entiende, güey. El que no, pues
¿Qué tal si te ven puros güeros?
No creo, güey. Tengo puros fan pinners. Pero this is some nitrous kits and shit. Mira, cada uno, nomás por esta cosita, $440, güey. Está muy caro. Ahí manden donaciones a mi Cash App. Ahí voy a poner mi Cash App en la descripción. We're gonna buy like a little dress up kit for the engine so that it looks all good and stuff, but we gotta see which one we can find here. Saludos para compa Dani. Se mira bien, no sé, luego se mira bien aburrido, güey.
No mames, que por eso no te hicieron caso, güey.
A la verga.
¿Qué pedo, Juan? ¿Cómo se
Saludos. Saludos para el compa Chris. Él tenía uno de estos, pero nunca los prestaba.
Neta.
Estos son los pistones. El que no sabe, güey, neta.
Los pitones, así como te gustan.
Ay, sácate de aquí. No, a Dani, güey, nomás que le gustan los transvestites.
Sácate a ti, te gustan las transmisiones.
Un mensaje para los trans.
Que se deberían de morir.
No,
Loco. Esa madre. Estamos viendo los diferenciales. I want to buy me one, but I'm trying to get maybe a limited slip so that, you know, we can do burnouts and shit. I got the camshaft, I got a distributor, and I got headers. All in all, it should be like I think $1,000-ish. Like, that's a lot of money, man, but hey, fuck it, it's just paper. Están perros, mira. Guys, we just paid. It was a lot of fucking money. First of all, right here we have the little receipt. See, we got the cam, the headers, distributor, and some other stuff. And now we just gotta wait for them to call us up and pick up our shit so we can leave. Alright, guys, we bought everything we needed. We weren't able to find the dress-up kit for the engine, but I guess we'll just order that later on, you know, nothing crazy. And so yeah, this is what we bought. We'll probably show y'all a little haul when we get to the car, put everything inside. Está
perra, güey. Silverado, güey, 10.
Silverado, sí, 10.
Y esos rines, güey.
Los rines están chidos,
Tan
están
perros,
grandes,
güey, neta, no mames. Verga, güey.
Son Forgiato, güey, son de los carros. What's up, guys? We're back. We're out the store. We loaded up everything. This is some other shit, don't worry about it. So we got headers, we got the cam, we got the whole kit ready to go in, and then we got the distributor over there with some extra parts. But this should be all for it. Now we're just gonna go later today, go drop it off, and we should have the truck in a little over a week, I think, some shit like that. But yeah, I'll give y'all an update when it's out and what it looks like.
Thank you, güey. No mames.
Y haz de cuenta que es una toma de dron, güey. A la verga.
We're here where we gotta drop off the parts. We got everything now. I just had to stop home real quick and get the carb and the intake manifold. And now we're just gonna drop them off. And hopefully everything's gonna go good. Okay guys, so basically we just came to drop off the parts and everything and talk to the guy, and I just told him what all I brought him, and he said that it should be done by around next week, like halfway through next week, and we could just come pick it up and truck will be back and running. We still do need to fix the transmission, but I don't know if I want to spend my money on that right now. But we'll see how much everything is, and I'll give you an update. Ya saben, manda, gracias por mirar el video. Ahí denle like si les gustó, suscríbanse. Ya saben, ahí andamos paso a paso, y ahí para la próxima ahí los veo. Chao.
Lo vieron pasar, troca azul levantada rumbo a la ciudad.